Okay. Ready?
No. I got to sit down.
Are we trying the whole thing?
Yep.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, go.
Don't laugh. I can't. It hurts my throat.
No! Not yet! No premature burping.
Okay. Back on.
This is a bad idea.
Mm-hmm.
I can feel it.
It's gonna make me sick.
I have to stave it off.
I'm not even halfway.
I'm glad I got the little cut.
This hurts.
Is this such a bad idea?
We're all gonna be
Swallow. Yep, probably.
Maybe.
I keep like
I
slowly
can feel
escaping.
it. I could let it go right now, but I haven't pop left.
Yeah. That was me.
Lame.
Because it's not. It kept coming out as I was trying to sip it.
My nose. We are disgusting.
Yeah, mine's weak. It's probably gonna come out like later.
I can feel my windpipe opening. Everything hurts and nothing.
My teeth feel. Don't your teeth feel like
Feel me?
chalky? Yeah.
That was a fail.
We suck.
We did that for nothing.